Geeks for Geeks School presents School Ambassador Program. This program is the voice of students in action, where actions mold the present into future we all can be proud of. Let's hear it their way.
Hey guys, hello. My name is Darshan and my age is 14 years old. I am a tech enthusiast. My place of residence is I am living in Maharashtra, Aurangabad. My school name is Greenfield International. My computer science internet areas are I am a Python full stack developer, full stack web developer, and a mentor. I teach several students to code. I teach them Python full stack development and full stack web development. And apart from this, I am a content creator and a technical content writer. I write articles on every weekend about programming and stuff. And I create contents about programming and post on my Instagram account. I am currently teaching people, tutoring people, mentoring kindly. I am teaching them Python full stack development and full stack web development. In that, I'm covering all the parts like front end and back end stuff. In the Python full stack development, all libraries and modules I'm covering. And let's talk about my future aspirants. So basically, in the future, I want to work as a full stack developer in a big tech IT companies for getting an experience that I'm having. And after that, I want to start my own startup. So in that, I can start my own consultancy company and startup like that. My hobbies are to play cricket and football and to code basically. That's it about me. Thanks.